Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy Mufasa here today with a real quick video. So I told you guys I was gonna be doing some resistant band workout exercises. So today I came to fulfill my promise. So I brought you guys some shoulders resistant band workout that I'm gonna be showing you guys today. And so I'm gonna tell you guys how this is gonna go. This is gonna be like follow-on workout, so I'm just gonna be doing it. I'm not gonna be explaining anything, but once I started the workout, you guys will hear my voice over the video that I'll be like explaining how everything will be going. All right, so without talking too much and before we get discouraged and lose our motivation, we're gonna jump straight to the workout. We're gonna build those shoulders. So we're gonna get them big to the point that even when you have like coat on, people will still tell that you have some shoulders. And you're gonna have shoulders. You don't need to go to the gym to do it. It's just at home. As you guys can see, I'm at home and I'm gonna do this. All right, let's get to it. So all you need is already one band, just like this with the handles. I'm gonna be using these handles too. So these two, I'm gonna be using them also. But if it's as needed, you don't really have to use them. So it should come in as set when you buy them. That I left the link in the description of the video when I was like opening these resistant bands. Make sure you go and then you check it out. All right, let's get to it, guys. So you have this. The first one we're gonna just begin is the lateral one, like straight. helps with endurance and all those good stuff, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and so it's gonna kind of be like a little bit of double speed, I know, but I'm doing this so that like you guys don't waste too much time watching, you know, same thing over and over at the, you know, at a normal pace. That's why I kind of like make it go a little faster so that like, you know, it can be done. And then I hope you guys understand. If you like have any question, you have any comment, leave it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and make sure you like this video, you share it with friends, and then so that, you know, they can, you know, get the benefit of it also. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for the support, and for the record, I just hit like 1K subscribers. I started like a month ago, which is pretty good. I did this because of you guys. I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure like leave like